Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop. Welcome back to my channel with a quick update on the tub to shower conversion. So in the last video I told you guys that I need to finish the patch on the wall, which is right behind the base, the insulation, which has already been done. So I went ahead and made my base for the pan, the shower pan, which this base is right here, and that's what I told you guys in the previous video. 2x4x8 pressure treated. I made it the exact size as the base. The base is 30 by 60. Well, not exact size. So it is 60 across, but it's 29 deep. And the reason for that is that it gives me some room to play with. Plus, the supporting legs behind the base, they don't go all the way to the edge. So that's why I got two additional supports. One there, and there's a run of legs that go from like the front to the back that way, and also on the other side, and then over here obviously, and then at the far end also. So basically those are just going to provide extra support so that the base, once it sits on top of that, it's going to be leveled. I already checked this right here and exactly leveled at the back, at the front. It was leveled going from left to right. As far as front to back, let's see. If I take my little trusty 24-inch level, put it right there, we can see that it is also leveled right there, right in between. So that's going to be perfect. So, and once again, the reason for this base here is to give me the added height that I need to clear that little pipe that's going to go right inside that drain. And that drain sticks out a little bit, and if I can get back there, I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right. So here's the edge of the base of the pan, and you can see how far it sticks out. Like I said, it's about 1 1/8 inches, and this edge right here, the edge of the base, is going to be sitting flush right on top of that. So that means that that part right there, here we go, that part right there is going to extend down past this edge right here. So that's going to slide right up in there, and I think I measured that piece to be 2 1/8 or 2 1/4 inch, and so that it can come up far enough so that when I tighten down on this drain right here, it will engage this rubber seal right there. So let me go ahead and drop this in place, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I will be right back. Alright, so I put the base down on top of the base that I made, and you can see I've lined it up right to the edge of it, and looking down you can see that it's lined up good, and see my level, the bubble is right on the money. And as for the drain, this is the strainer that goes in after, and right here, this little white collar, this tool that they give you goes right in there like this, and then you take a flat tip screwdriver and you turn it down, and if you can see, there's the PVC pipe that I put, the little extension piece, the black that you see there, that's that rubber seal. So when you compress this ring here down, it forces that rubber up against this PVC pipe, creating your seal. Also here, I took this main part of the drain out first, caulked it underneath all the way around, and put it down in there. I used some white caulk. and then with the compression nut and gasket that's on the bottom, tightening everything up. So this will provide a good seal, so when the water runs off, it'll come down here and then go right down into the pipe. So these have a built-in trap that's underground underneath the slab. So the only thing I can do now is go around and install these little clips that attach right on the lip like that, and then you screw it into the studs all the way around. And what I just noticed is that on this side I need to put a blocking over here of that 1x6 to be able to screw into also, and also provide me a place to screw the cement board. All right, so there you go. Base on top of base. Next few steps is to, like I said, lock it down with these clips here. I'm using these Phillips head self-piercing 1-inch number 8 lat screws, because they got a nice flat top on them, if you can see that, and it just makes it so that when I come back with the what do you call it, the cement board, it doesn't have to fight too much of a surface. So this is going to be part 5, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Ask me any questions that you may have, and I'll answer them as soon as I get the notification. All right, thanks. Catch you on the next one.